refugee and illegal migrants, are there any domestic laws differentiating between these two?
No, sir, not yet, sir. So we only have the category of an illegal migrant. We don't have a legal definition of a refugee yet.
Okay, so when Supreme Court gives judgment on the Rohingya crisis, what does it give regarding the Rohingyas? Are they illegals or as a...
No, that's exactly what we're asking the Supreme Court, which is to say that when you don't have the definition of a refugee, what is your basis to treat them as a refugee when they are, for all practical purposes, illegal immigrants? And even otherwise, whether they should be treated as refugees or not is a question of executive policy, which is for the government to decide whether you can grant them with that particular status or not. How can the Supreme Court preside over this issue is one of the primary questions, in the sense, before the Supreme Court can decide what is wrong and what is right, the primary issue and the objection before the Supreme Court is, can the Supreme Court even look into this particular issue? And so far that issue has not yet been addressed. Arguments are underway. Whenever it happens, we'll see what happens.
I'm in minority, so kindly give me an opportunity.
I'll leave it to the moderator. Do we still have time? He wants to make a point.
The first thing is, thanks a lot for ostracizing me today.
I am not
You are
ostracizing.
not ostracizing me.
Right.
Someone has raised some kind
He's
of...
a very good friend from Hyderabad, by the way. He's a qualified lawyer who is now practicing in the Supreme Court. He was a civil services aspirant. I think he's still a civil services aspirant. Someone who's very informed.